Ladies, are you tired of thin, lifeless hair making you look older? What if I told you the right short haircut could add volume, style, and take years off your look? If you are 50, 60, or even 70 and want a fresh, youthful, and low maintenance hairstyle that enhance your beauty, you are in the right place. Today I am revealing the best short haircuts for thin hair styles that will make you look and feel confident, stylish, and effortlessly elegant. So hit that like button and let's get started. Ladies, if you have thin hair and want to add volume, style, and a youthful glow, you are going to love these trendy short haircuts. Let's dive into the best styles for 2025 that will make you look stunning at any age. First, the classic layered bob. This is a game changer for women with thin hair. The layers create natural volume, giving your hair a fuller, bouncer look. Plus, it's easy to maintain and suit almost every face shape. For extra lift, use a volumizing spray and a round brush while blow drying. Next, the feather pixie cut. If you love a chic and modern look, this soft pixie cut adds texture and movement to thin hair while keeping styling effortlessly and classy. It also highlights your beautiful features, making you look fresh and youthful. And for a trendy, relaxed look, the soft shag cut. Shaggy layers create a playful yet elegant style that make your hair look thicker and fuller. If you want something low maintenance and effortlessly stylish, this is perfect for you. Which hairstyle do you love the most? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fashion Blast for daily beauty and hairstyle tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay stylish, stay confident, and embrace your beauty. Thanks for watching.